Assalamu alaikum class. Here today we discuss about the types of joints. So what is joint? First of all of you know that what is joint. The joint a joint is a location at which two or more bonds make a contact. Means जहाँ पर two or more bonds मिलती हैं उस पॉइंट को उस लोकेशन को हम कहते हैं ये joint है. So the function of joint allow the movement plus provide the mechanical support. These two are the function of the joints. Basically, the location at which two or more bonds can be make contact with each another is known as the joint. They can be provide the support and the movement and provide the movement allow. So that these are the functions of the joint. Joints can also be classified on the basis of the movement. The basic and major function of the joint is the movement. On the basis of the movement, the joints can be classified into the three basic types: immovable joints, slightly movable joints, and then the movable joints. First of all, immovable joints. As the name shows, these joints cannot show any type of the movements, or these joints cannot allow any type of the movements. So these immovable joints are also known as the fixed joints. The example of the immovable joints are the skull bone. All of you know that we cannot move our skull, so that these joints cannot show any type of the movement. So these are known as the fixed joints, and the example is the skull bone. And then the other joint is the slightly movable joint. Slightly mean thoda sa, means this joints can show a slight movements, like the vertebrae. इसके एग्जाम्पल में आ जाता है vertebrae. The joints which are present in the vertebrae can be show the slight movements. And the next and the important one joint is the movable joints. Also important short question. Movable joints means these joints can allow a variety of movements. Means shoulder joint, elbow joint, knee joints, hip joints. These are all joints are the examples of the movable joints, and these joints can shows the variety of the movements. Means in these joints we can move the one body part from one plane, or we can also move our body part from all the direction. So that movable joints can also further categorize into the two types: hinge joint and the ball and socket joint. Hinge joint, these joints can show the movement from back and forth, like the door positions when we open and close our door, like the door movement. This joint can show the movements. And in a scientifically way, hinge joint can allow the one plane movement. So that the examples of the hinge joint are the knee and the elbow joints. These are the examples of the hinge joint. Then we move toward the ball and socket joint. These joints can shows the all directions, can shows the movements in all directions. Means they can be movable. These are the movable joints that show the movements in all the directions, like the shoulder and the hip joint are the movable joints. Students, also see your book. Here firstly given the definition that, and this is also important question. The location at which two or more bones make contact and they can movement and provide the mechanical support. These are the functions. First of all, fixed joints. These are the skull bone joints. Show this fixed joint. Our skull bone joints are, see this diagram student. This diagram shows the skull bone. And then the slightly movable joints means a little movement can be shown by the joints, and this is the vertebrae joint. Then movable joints. Movable joints can move the show the variety of movements. Hinge joint shows the back and forth movements. Mean आगे और पीछे को सिर्फ जा सकते हैं. But the ball and socket joints can show the movement in all the directions, like the shoulder bone. Students, also see this box. A neck joint between the vertebral column and the head allows the movement side to side. Means in our neck region slightly movable joints are present, and they can be given the movements from side to side. Can you think what would you happen if इट वेयर अ बॉल एंड सर्कल जॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट मीन्स अगर यहाँ पर हमारी नेक रीजन में बॉल एंड सर्कल जॉइंट होता तो हम हर तरफ ही देख सकते। अभी तो हम सिर्फ आगे देख सकते हैं और साइड्स पे देख सकते हैं। हम पीछे को मूव करके हमें अपने फुल टर्न करना पड़ता है। हम अपने आगे बैठे बैठे हम अपनी गर्दन को पीछे नहीं ले जा सकते। जिस तरह के हम अपने आर्म को एक ही जगह पे खड़े होकर हम चारों तरफ घुमा सकते हैं, इसी तरह हम अपनी गर्दन को नहीं घुमा सकते। वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपकी नेक में भी बॉल एंड सर्कल जॉइंट होता तो आपको कैसा फील होता, तो आपको क्या मतलब के ऑब्जर्वेशंस आपकी होती। सो हमारी नेक रीजन में स्लाइटली मूवेबल जॉइंट प्रेजेंट है। Thank you class. It's all about our today lecture. Hope so it's clear now.